equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, power off your HP 15fq4030ns and unplug it. Gather your tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean cloth for internal cleaning. Begin by removing the back cover. Unscrew the screws carefully and keep them in a safe place. Once the cover is off, locate the hard drive flex cable. Inspect it visually for any damage or wear. If you see any issues, it's time to replace it. Disconnect the old cable gently using the spudger. Now, take your new flex cable and connect it securely. Make sure it's seated properly. Before reassembling, clean the internal components with a soft cloth to remove dust. Replace the back cover and screw it back in place. Power on your laptop to check if the issue is resolved. Remember, for a professional diagnosis without obligation, consider our services. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about no calls, no travel. Get a quote before repair to ensure transparency. Your HP deserves the best care. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.